I would say, how can I be an inspirational and effective leader? Because you can be an effective leader and not be inspirational and not be a great leader. But I will say that you should model the behavior that you would like to see from the people that you're leading. So if you are somebody who hopes that the people that you're leading show up on time and have a positive attitude, then it stands to reason that you would show up on time and have a positive attitude. If you want the people that you are leading to follow through with what they say they're going to do, then you should follow through with what you say you're going to do. I do think to be an effective leader, you also must have effective communication skills. So that includes active listening, being able to listen to what other people are saying and repeat back what you heard. I think it includes having empathy because people are going through all kinds of things, and being able to connect with that and understand makes for a very effective leader. And I would say somebody who has a level of humility, who doesn't pretend that they know what they don't know, and who is willing to listen to other people who might know what they don't know, I think that makes for a very effective leader as well. Humility, active listening, effective communication, and just trying to be an inspiration and model the behavior that you would like to see from the people you're leading.